What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name's Kyler and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to detail my interior. So I'm going to do a full detail. I'm going to get in all the cracks and crevices, especially since I just had my windows tinted. So yeah, there's a little bit of water marks and soap marks on the door panels and stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to give it a deep detailing, try out a few new products, and then also, as you all may know, BMW Invasion is this weekend. So definitely want to get the interior all nice and cleaned up and prepped for that. So let's get into it. So in case you all don't know, I recently got selected as one of the Rag Company's Grand Ambassadors for Q1 of 2022. So I'm super grateful for this opportunity to work with them and help expose their brand and also get myself some exposure too. So I made a recent order with them to try out some new products for cleaning the interior. And this one I'm really looking forward to trying. This is Polestar by Koch Chemie. And what I'm mainly going to use this for is my alcantara. I'm going to use this for the alcantara, and I'll probably try it on this door panel too. But you can pretty much use it on all the surfaces in the interior of the car. It's mainly good for textiles or leather. So what really attracted me to Polestar is the fact that it's really good at cleaning alcantaras, and then it also protects the surface as well and prevents from new dirt getting into the surface better than other cleaners should. So yeah, really looking forward to trying this product. It is pH neutral, so it's completely safe, and I'm going to dilute it probably like a 5-to-1 ratio, but I'll let you know when I get to that part. And then yeah, so it shouldn't leave any streaking whatsoever on any of the door panels because it is a pH neutral cleaner, so it should be perfectly safe to use on all surfaces. And another Koch Chemie product that I'm going to try is the all-around surface cleaner. So I'm mainly going to use this on the plastic interior parts for the infotainment system and around those. So looking forward to trying this as well. And then as you all may know, my car did not come with real leather. It has the BMW Sensitech leather, which is artificial. It's vinyl technically. So I use the Colourlock system, and this is the artificial leather cleaner and then artificial leather protectant. So I'll go ahead and stick with this. It works really well, leaves a nice matte finish as well as all these products do. So yeah, let's start with the first step of the detailing, and that would be dusting using a detail factory brush. We're going to do that and a handheld vacuum. So normally I like to use a shop vac, but usually I use that at my parents' house and I'm not there right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my handheld vac, which is actually really handy and I got it off Amazon. So all these products that I'm using in this video, of course, will be linked in the description below for your convenience. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So I did go ahead and pick up these sprayers that are specifically designed for the Koch Chemie bottles, so you can directly put it into here, but I'm not going to use that because I'm going to dilute this cleaning solution. So I'm going to use this Chemical Guys bottle that I just had laying around, and it has the dilution ratios on it, so that's super convenient. So I'm just going to do the 5-to-1 dilution ratio. So I'll fill it up here to product and then the rest of the way with distilled water. All right, so we have our Polestar in here diluted 5-to-1. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it on the door panel and then use my detail factory brush to go ahead and agitate, and then use the microfiber, the 365 edgeless from the Rag Company, to go ahead and wipe up the mess. Wow, this stuff foams instantly with some agitation. It makes it a lot more fun. What's up? So I am trying to keep this off my windows for now. It is safe to use on windows, but I don't know, I just want to be extra careful because I just got these tinted. And another great thing about this product is that since it is pH neutral and relatively safe to use, that you can let it dwell on the surface for a long time and you won't have to worry about streaking or anything like that. Yeah, I get some crazy foam on the agitation. I also like using German products for a German car. And I'm also German, or part German, so makes sense to me. And this product also smells pretty good. I would say I like it better than P&S Express Interior Detail Cleaner so far on the smell. So yeah, a lot of the soap and water that Martin used from Alligator Window Tint just left some, streaks here and there, so hoping this will take it out no problem. All right, we just agitated the whole door, and you can even see up here at the top, it's already like drying out into a nice matte surface. So that's pretty cool, but we'll go ahead and wipe it down. So I went ahead and just sprayed right on the electronics. Not worried about that at all, because as you can see, this product is drying up very fast. It is cleaning to a nice matte finish, just how I like it. Makes the car look brand new. The only thing with this dry carbon trim is that sometimes little fabrics or fibers can get stuck between the weave because it is an exposed weave. All right, so that is the finished product of the door panel. And I must say I'm really impressed with the results. The finish of the door looks brand new. Absolutely flawless. Alright, so now I'm going to clean this Alcantara trim and the dash, still using Polestar. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then Polestar also has UV blockers in it. I guess that's part of the protectant. So it's also good to use on the dash. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it, some cleaner directly into my brush. And then we'll just go ahead and agitate. And we don't want to push too hard with the brush on the Alcantara. We just kind of want to lightly agitate the surface. I don't want to like pull the fibers out. I just kind of want to clean them. It's very convenient to have one cleaner that can clean multiple surfaces, especially in the interior of the vehicle. Super clutch. All right, now we'll use our microfiber. Hopefully this will get some of the product out. And you can lightly like rub the Alcantara. Just also want to be careful of the stitching. Oh yeah, the Polestar is working really good. I can see all the spots that it has removed. And that's another thing that I want to talk about for the Colourlock Alcantara cleaning kit, is that the waterproofer spray that it comes with, like if you're spraying that and on the piece that's in the car already, you have to be very careful about overspray because it has stained my trim. So yeah, and it's pretty hard to get off. So keep that in mind if you're using the Colourlock Alcantara cleaning kit. Alright, so that's looking primo. And we'll go ahead and spray some now on our microfiber cloth. We'll go ahead and wipe down the dash. Alright, so that's going to pretty much do it for the interior components, such as like all the trims and everything. So I'm going to focus on the seats and the Sensitech seats specifically. So this new tool, which I'm super stoked to use, from the Rag Company. This is their vinyl and leather scrub brush. So it's just like a super fine scrubber right here and a super ergonomic handle. And it's a little squishy too, so it's cool. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and use my Colourlock cleaner for artificial leather. Go ahead and spray that on the leather and then go ahead and scrub it down and wipe it with a clean cloth. So yeah, I'd highly recommend this scrub brush. It makes it super efficient to go ahead and clean your leather or vinyl in your car. And it has this pointed tip for those hard to reach areas. And yeah, it just makes it overall job way easier and more fun with this squishy handle too. Wow, so I'm really content with this all-around surface cleaner by Koch Chemie. It works really well. It has my radio trim looking brand new. And yeah, it smells good too. And it wipes off easily, leaves a nice matte surface. So I highly recommend this product. So of course we can't forget about cleaning the glass. And to add to the Koch Chemie lineup that I've been acquiring, we have Koch Chemie glass cleaner. So I'm gonna use this paired with a window cleaning rag from the Rag Company. I'll just go ahead and spray the glass cleaner directly on the cloth and then just wipe down the glass, and I'm going to use it on the rearview mirror. And a little bit of product goes a long way. We're looking good. All right, y'all, that's going to wrap up this video. Just want to do a quick overview of some of the new products that I'm trying to clean the interior, as I know we're all getting ready for a BMW invasion, or at least most of us. But yeah, I also wanted to review those Koch Chemie products, as I've really been liking their line of products. Everything's just been working so good. The first chemical I tried by them was the GSF, the Gentle Snow Foam, and that is just such a great experience. I highly recommend you try any of their products. I mean, I don't think you'll be disappointed. So yeah, guys, if you want any of these products that I use in this video, I'll link everything in the description below, as well as some detailed descriptions for each product. And then also you can make a bulk order from the Rag Company and use my code SKIRT15 for 15% off one order from the Rag Company. So definitely make sure you do a bulk order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you smash that like button, helps to support small channels like mine. Make sure you subscribe as well, because we got a lot more content to come. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.